Why all the fuss about soap-free cleaning? Soap-free cleaning products can be beneficial for a variety of reasons. First, they are safer for people and pets. Second, they can be effective in removing grease and oil. Third, they can clean without leaving behind any residue. They are safe for people with sensitive skin and allergies. Lastly, soap-free cleaners are available for every home or business, including schools, hospitals, and offices. Soap-free carpet cleaning methods are safe for your home's delicate fibers. They were developed more than 30 years ago, using water softener and natural degreasers to remove stains. And because they don't leave behind sticky moisture-holding residue, they're the best choice for sensitive fibers. The process begins with a pre-spray and agitation, then rinse with fresh water to remove stubborn stains. Soap-free cleaning is a relatively new process that utilizes water softeners, natural degreasers, and detergent-free boosters to remove moisture-holding residue. As with any other carpet cleaning process, it starts with pre-spray, agitate, and fresh water to ensure the best results. It's a great choice for people who are concerned about the environment, but don't want to give up the benefits of soap-free cleaning.